Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at arklatexhomepage.com. I'm meteorologist Josh Marcis with your Tuesday morning forecast update. It is cold front day for us. We've been waiting for this front for several months here, as this will give us some great weather to wrap up the week, but it has slowed up just a little bit here, so we're not expecting to feel the effects of the front in most areas until late this afternoon as well as this evening and into tonight. So what that means, we'll have plenty of time to warm up before the front gets here in most areas, so it will be a pretty warm day before we start to feel a little bit of relief after, I would say, 4 p.m. in most areas. So look at satellite radar, the front bringing some storms from Little Rock up through St. Louis. It will eventually bring some storms to the Arklatex, watching the potential for maybe a little early morning rain here across the I-30 corridor, and that will be just about it. We'll have to wait until the afternoon to see some of the storms pop up further to the south. So we are starting out a little bit warmer this morning with temperatures in the mid to upper 70s, so we're not seeing as much fog as yesterday morning, but probably going to see some patchy fog, at least for the morning commute in some areas. And then highs later today, you can see most of us making a run at 90 degrees here, but the front will get to the northern Arklatex early enough. You will feel that cool down today. Just 78 for Idabel, a comfortable 80 into Queen, and again, where the warm air resides here along and south of Interstate 30, that's where we'll have a little higher chance of seeing some thunderstorms later today. And look at the fog this morning. We do have visibility down to about a quarter mile to start out the day in Manny. So look at your Robinson Futurecast. It shows a little bit of rain popping up this morning, but honestly not too much of it before the noon hour today. The front will be down towards I-30 right around noon, so that's where we expect some of the thunderstorms to begin developing, and you see the line of storms really gets going over Interstate 20. So Shreveport, I do think we'll see some thunderstorms at some point mid to late afternoon today. Could have some gusty winds, but we're not expecting any severe weather here. And as we continue into the afternoon and tonight, we should begin to clear out north to south. And that gusty north wind you'll feel this afternoon, even before sunset tonight, you may feel those wind gusts about 25 to 30 miles per hour. That's all that cool and dry air rushing in behind the front, and much lower humidity. The sunshine will be back with us tomorrow, and just really some outstanding weather to wrap up the week. So what the front will do for us, it will cool our temperatures. It's not going to drop a lot of rain here. We're showing probably less than a quarter inch of rain in most areas, and your lows tonight, 50s for much of the region. So it is going to be a chilly night and morning tomorrow, and your afternoon highs Wednesday likely in the upper 70s and low 80s. So just a wonderful day tomorrow. Should have lighter wind, plenty of sun out there, and low humidity, and we'll see that again Thursday into Friday. So just some really likable weather through the weekend. We may feel the humidity come back a bit through the weekend, but if you do have some outdoor plans for the weekend, looking to be dry, and honestly looks like we'll be dry for much of next week as well.